Urostomy. Introduction. Urine is stored in the bladder. Select true or false. Correct. The urine formed in the kidneys flows through tubes called ureters to be stored in the bladder. Which of the following can lead to a urostomy? Choose one of the following options. 1. Bladder cancer. 2. Nerve damage. 3. Chronic bladder inflammation. 4. All of the above. Correct. A stoma is an opening that is created on the outside of the body. Select true or false. Correct. An ostomy pouch is placed over the stoma to collect urine. Select true or false. Correct. The bags that fit over the stoma are called ostomy pouches. It is normal for a stoma to bleed a little if it gets bumped. Select true or false. Correct. If a stoma is accidentally bumped, it may bleed just a little. This is normal. Is it impossible to clean the skin surrounding a stoma? Select yes or no. Correct. When changing pouches, you should clean the surrounding skin with warm water. The urine drainage bag should be emptied when it is about 2/3 full. Select true or false. Correct. If you wait until the bag is totally full, it would be more difficult to drain it without spilling. Thank you for using Explain.